back to my channel. So magharap tayo ng Tsulami game. Okay, let's start na natin. Ang dami niyang basa. Yeah. Okay. Oh, may Robux. Wala akong Robux.
Iron golems are unstoppable. Easy to fight.
So, kapatid ko po nanonood. Magal mo. Kaya nang gagawin natin. Ano nangyari? Wave 4 na pala.
Hurry, everyone! There's a thing!
You gotta hurry. My car's to the very top.
Ah! Ay! Nabali yung braso.
The very back.
Let's hurry!
Hurry up! Oh, hindi ako lang. Yung waves ko. Wala naman. Ah, nakateleport ako. Bilis!
Spiders coming out of the cave? You mean that one?
Leave it to me! I'll deal with those spiders! Let's go, JJ!
I guess we should take a look. This is the cave the spiders came out of, right?
Look, JJ! Spiders!
Whoa, that's a lot of spiders.
Hindi nyo lang help ko guys. Ito o yung may raid. Tara dito tayo guys. Kasama ang
Take a look
paldikan.
inside. Maybe the source of the spiders is there.
Yeah! I'll take out any spiders that show up!
Anong ginagawa nyo?
Kumain kasi ito eh. Ano,
Those spiders,
kain
though.
ng kain.
Lalag ba ako?
Spiders that just left the cave.
Tingnan mo naglalakad o. Ano nangyari? Naglalakad lang yun o.
Cobwebs are preventing us from going deeper. Let's try breaking them.
Pa yan guys. Paano?
Break this up and continue onward.
Wait lang guys. Pause muna natin. So nagbabalik na ulit tayo guys. Dahil na-disconnected ako. Kaya pinus.
Security camera will allow us to.
Oh, ito. Bugot na to. Ito, mas maganda. Ay, ako nang mag-bibi. Ah, bakit na-delete? Kawawa naman tayo. Delete! Ayaw mo makasakay.
I want to make it so that we can only open the doors from the inside
Guys, like and subscribe nyo na.
and put them up.
Please, dali na guys. Like and subscribe nyo. Kaya meron akong 1K subscribers. Gusto ko pa naman ng 1K subscribers.
Over here, I use this command to make a large open space.
Ang ganda ng boat na to guys. Okay, wala. Ayun na. Nawang sige lang. Sarap.
No good. It's still in the cave. Let's have our beverages and filter while we have time.
Oh,
How about you and I wait by the cave?
wala tayo magagawa guys. Pero tago mo tayo. Dili, sabang wala tayo. Hala, full na. Patay tayo. Grabe na.
Uy, aso! Tingnan mo, tingnan mo, tingnan mo. Protect you with all my might.
Kasambahan sa kanya tiyo, kita.
It's on the security camera.
Let's go.
The mutant spider broke free, and now it's gone.
You gotta be kidding me!
Banana, banana. Oh!
Let's take
Ay,
out the
imik
security
lang
be
guys.
prepared.
Try nga natin ito sa pack. Tayo muna. Bakit ang daming sasakyan? Ano yun? Tara, doon tayo.
It's taken lots of damage.
It's working.
Ano to? Future update? Ano to? Report. Alam mo. Dito nga tayo.
Landmines.
Wala.
Let's move.
Ay, ito pala. Napipindot ko yung audio recording ko.
Okay.
Saan di yung ano?
Ito yung video ko. Kaya dito na nagtatapos ang video natin. Kaya, ito na. Bye-bye.